Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Kids Happiness. So I'm very excited to open my special box from Sandra. This is a very special box from Hasbro. I must say that this is my first Christmas gift. I'm super excited to open this box. So let's see how this box looks like. My box is chained and locked with the lock. Let's see what's it's written. Shh, top secret. Look. Let's see if any other secrets are there. Oh, I found it. There's a knot. The secret's out as soon as you turn the key. Where is the key? Something is written on the top. Let's read it. The key to the answer is on its way in just a couple of days. Well, I do not need to wait for a couple of days. Here it is. Written something on the keychain. What? Are we getting something related to lock stars? I'm so super excited. So let's open it. Let's look how many lock stars I got. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. But let's see what all we got. Before that, I got some letters. Some postcards. These postcard pictures show us that how many places we can hang these lock stars. We can hang it on the shoe, on your backpacks, and anywhere. And I got a letter from Lock Stars, and it's from the company Hasbro. Once again, thank you so much, Hasbro. So let's open it one by one. So which one should I pick? Maybe this odd one. Feature a funky character with a key that unlocks a hidden surprise. So these lock stars can be accessorized with its pair with your favorite character anywhere. On your backpack, bracelets, shoelaces and more. Hasbro has given me 5 lock stars collectibles. Thank you, Hasbro. So let's see what all we got. Look at the back. There are so many collectibles hanging on the bag. So this is the checklist. Let's look. These are the collectible lock stars. I need a unicorn. Rainbow one. I got the surprise one. Oh, this one. Which one is this one? Small one. I got it. This mini lock key do not need a key. It's just a normal lock. I got the key. Purple key. Green key. What is this chain? The hanging thing. So I got a hanging shoe. So let's open it with the key. I got a camera. This is so cute figures. You can store one thing inside this. Which one did I got? Yeah, this one. This one. This looks like an alien because it has 3 eyes. It should have been different. But no problem. I'll be gifting to my sister. So this is the unicorn lock star collectible. Look at this horn and its tail. So the mini figures are rainbow, and an ice cream. I got the mini lock like this one. the same lock stars collectibles, but the minifigures have the different color. That's all. So I didn't open the last lock star because I got the same one, so I'm gonna gift it to my sister. So this is the final look of all lock star collectibles. So you can also collect all the lock stars and hang it where you will like. So this is my first ever collectibles. Thank you Hasbro for this opportunity. So thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.